Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the practical number 8. So as like earlier, so you want to create like this table in your Excel sheet. So then thereafter, so they have given the column widths. So column A 5, column B 18, C and D 13 and E and F 14. So then thereafter you want to calculate the commission. So to calculate the commission, they have given a formula. Commission is equal to sales into 4%. So then they have given a formula to calculate the quarterly salary. So basic salary plus commissions. So then uh, so you want to calculate the totals, average, highest, lowest, count of the values. So then sixth question, so the numeric data includes commas and two decimal places. So align all common title label horizontally vertically center. So then you want to include the headers and the footers on your worksheet. Okay, so first I have already typed that given data in my sheet. So then thereafter first I want to set the column width. So column A 5, so right click column width 5, then enter. So column B 18, right click column width, so 18 you want to enter 18. So like this way you can set the column width. So then you want to calculate the commission. So commission is equal to sales into 4%. So then it's equal sales into 4%, then enter. So then you want to calculate the quarterly salary. So basic salary plus commission. So here it's equal to basic salary and plus commission. Okay, so here you want to calculate the total. So you can calculate like this. Total and average and equal highest, that's mean maximum, then minimum, lowest value, then count. Just select this and drag and drop. Okay, so like this way you can calculate. Then numeric data, you want to include the columns and two decimals alignment. So here it's available, just put a comma and two decimals alignment you can apply. Then all column title horizontally vertically center. So here this is center. Okay, so then thereafter, so header includes your name, left session, page number in the center session and your ID in the right session. Okay, so insert text header and footer, name, page number and ID. So in the footer, date left session and time in the right session. So here date, design, date and time. Like this way you can complete the practical number 8.